1 year ago, during a technical training session inspired by engineers from Toyota and Honda, a senior technician told me something that stuck with me. In Japan, we restore before we replace. That philosophy is exactly why Japanese engines are famous for crossing 200,000 to 300,000 miles without major fuel system repairs. Most drivers think clogged fuel injectors automatically mean removal or replacement. But in reality, 70% of injector performance issues are caused by carbon deposits and varnish buildup instead of mechanical failure. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 Japanese methods to clean fuel injectors without removing them. Before we begin, understand this clearly. Fuel injectors are precision spray nozzles. When they clog, the spray pattern becomes uneven. Instead of a fine mist, fuel enters the combustion chamber in droplets. This reduces power, increases fuel consumption, causes rough idle, and over time can damage spark plugs and catalytic converters. But Japanese technicians focus on restoring spray pattern accuracy first without disturbing factory calibration. Now, let's break down the methods to clean the fuel injectors. Method number 1. The PEA chemical synergy. The Japanese tuning scene, names like Wakos and HKS are treated like royalty, and their secret weapon is a chemical called polyethyramine. Most shelf-brand cleaners are essentially diluted kerosene that evaporates the moment things get hot. But PEA is a nitrogen-based detergent designed to survive the literal hellfire of your combustion chamber. When you use this method, you are not just pouring in a liquid. You are introducing a molecular scrubber that survives temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees to reach the injector pintle. To get best results from this method, wait until your fuel light flickers. Firstly, pour in a high-concentration PEA additive, such as Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, and then top off with high-octane premium fuel. Then drive your vehicle continuously for at least 30 to 40 minutes at steady highway speeds to maintain consistent combustion temperature and fuel pressure. Heat is critical because carbon softens and dissolves more effectively at stable operating temperatures. Japanese maintenance schedules often recommend repeating this process every 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers as preventive care, rather than waiting for symptoms. Method number 2. Controlled high RPM combustion cleaning. Many people have heard of the Italian tune-up, but Japanese technicians refine this approach with precision and strict limits. The engine must be fully warmed to normal operating temperature before attempting this method. Once warmed, the car is driven on an open road and maintained between 3,500 and 4,500 revolutions per minute, steadily for 10 to 15 minutes without aggressive revving. This controlled high RPM operation increases combustion chamber temperature and injector pressure that help to burn off soft carbon deposits that restrict fuel atomization. The elevated heat helps restore proper spray mist characteristics, especially in direct injection engines. However, exceeding manufacturer RPM recommendations is strictly avoided in Japanese workshops because mechanical stress defeats the purpose of restoration. This method is particularly effective for vehicles driven mostly in city traffic, where low-speed operation promotes deposit buildup. When done properly, drivers often notice smoother acceleration and reduced hesitation almost immediately. Method number 3. The Shizuka cold soak. In the precision-driven world of Japanese auto maintenance, mechanics often prioritize dwell time over raw mechanical force. Most drivers think the cleaning happens only while the engine is screaming at high RPMs, but the Shizuka soak method utilizes the cooling cycle of the engine to perform a chemical deep clean. After adding your PEA-based cleaner and driving until the engine is at full operating temperature, shut your car down for a minimum of 12 to 24 hours. As the engine cools, the metal components of the fuel injectors slightly contract, creating microscopic fissures in the hardened carbon lacquer. This allows the concentrated cleaning agents to penetrate deep into the pores of the carbon buildup while the engine is stationary, effectively acting like a chemical chisel. By the time you start the car the next morning, the once solid deposits have been softened into a gelatinous state that is easily atomized and blown out through the exhaust during your morning commute. Method number 4. Controlled water mist steam cleaning. This is a legendary old-school Japanese technique used by enthusiasts to remove stubborn carbon caking from injector nozzles and valves without spending a dime on specialized solvents. The method relies on the physics of thermal expansion. Introduce a very fine mist of distilled water into the air intake while the engine is held at a steady, high idle. As the microscopic water droplets enter the 2,000-degree combustion chamber, they instantly flash boil into high-pressure steam. This creates a microblasting effect that physically scours the exterior of the fuel injector tips and the intake valves, stripping away soot that even the strongest chemicals can sometimes miss. When performed with Japanese-level patience, like introducing the mist slowly enough to avoid hydrolock, this method provides a factory-level steam clean to your internals, using nothing more than the engine's own heat and a simple spray bottle. Method number 5. The Ghost ECU Recalibration. One of the most overlooked steps in injector cleaning is recalibration after restoration. Modern engines constantly adjust fuel trims based on injector behavior over time. If injectors were partially clogged for months, the engine control unit adapts by increasing or decreasing fuel delivery to compensate. Once the injectors are cleaned and flow improves, those learned adjustments can temporarily cause imbalance. Japanese technicians use diagnostic tools to reset adaptive fuel trims and allow the ECU to relearn proper injector spray patterns under clean conditions. This ensures the engine operates at optimal air-fuel ratios again. Skipping this step may reduce the noticeable benefits of cleaning. Proper recalibration maximizes smooth idle stability, throttle precision, and fuel efficiency gains. At the end of this video, I will say that before spending hundreds or even thousands on removal and replacement, applying these Japanese restoration methods can often bring performance back to near-factory condition. Smart maintenance always costs less than reactive repair, and understanding these techniques puts you ahead of 90% of drivers on the road. And if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel and keep your engine running like it just rolled out of Japan.